day and welcome to yet another great 6-gun grill recipe. Today I'm going to show you one of my personal favorites. Yes, I even eat it with my breakfast. That is battered onion rings. What is better than a battered onion ring? So for this recipe, you take your onions, cut it into rings. So what we'll do, literally just drop it in some flour, give it a good mix. What's the reason for the flour? The reason for the flour is basically for your batter to stick to your onion ring. The batter mix, I'm using the So Good batter. 1 part batter, 2 parts water. This I've already measured off. Give it a good stir. Make sure there's no lumps. As easy as 5 seconds. So what we're now going to do, literally dip our onions. Some of this batter. Make sure it's nicely covered. Now into oil. You can deep fry this. I like to pan fry them, it's nice and easy. As I said, 6-gun battered onion rings. Ooh, my favorite.